But now that he is not cooperating with regards to the pronouncement on social media, then the more that we have to pursue this contempt order that we filed, because somehow we will be able to find out the truthfulness nung sinasabi niya na hindi siya talaga involved doon sa Pogo. Di ba usually ganun naman, di ba? If we really wanted to evade, if we really wanted to not to attend and pursuing other things in order to avoid it, then there will always be a presumption of guilt. And for him not to be construed as one like that, better for him to appear in the Quadcom. And hindi naman yung, alam mo, sa totoo lang, kung pinadala niya yung mga dokumento, no, yung ITR, yung SALN, and other documents pertaining to the sale of that property, most likely, baka doon lang magbe-base na kami. I heard that he will be filing also a TRO sa Supreme Court. Well, lahat naman tayo entitled to do that. But of course, for the meantime, kailangan sundin muna niya yung order ng Kongreso. At ito po ay naaayon sa batas at idinakda ng aming institution, and everything has to follow it, ano? Otherwise, kung someone will disregard this decision of the Congress, what will you be expecting? Sooner or later, lahat ng resource persons will do the same. And so what will happen to the different investigations of the House of Representatives and the Senate for that matter? So